Fahad, you know my Celerio makes the exact sound like a Lamborghini.
That's impossible.
Come, let me show you.
Show me. What? Move, let me try. You did something to the engine.
No, I haven't did anything.
Let me check. You did something to the engine.
See, normal engine. Where are you going?
Say no.
What?
So you have a guy to make exhaust sound for you? Well, I salute your creativity.